everyone, welcome back. Today I have Ellen with me. Ellen is a super special friend slash neighbor. We used to be neighbors, but we still call each other neighbors. But anyway, we're really good friends. She gets her hair cut every 3 weeks. And so I'm just gonna show you how we trim her hair up. She does get lots of compliments. It's seriously such a cute, fun cut. Sometimes we spike it more, sometimes she just dries it and lets it go so she doesn't.
I can't
have. That's so cute. Oh, that is so fun. But honestly, her hair does grow enough in 3 weeks, we have to trim it up. If not, it just grows out of its shape. But that's good because then I get to see her every 3 weeks. Other than her farm is up from my house. So like the other day I was doing some work on her house out back. And anyway, they drove by. So we always get to wave and see each other a lot. But yeah, it's fun. Get to see her every 3 weeks. Okay, so I'm holding this tight back by her head. And I follow with my vertical sections here. And some people say, well, how do you do that without totally sectioning it completely out? And I will show you in just a second. Okay, so here I just touch my fingers to the bottom of her nape area. Just because we like that bottom tight, so she doesn't have to deal with it. I will come back in, do some clipper over comb, especially just through these corner areas. That way it can stay tight and not poke out when it starts to grow out. Okay, now again to this bottom. I just keep it tight to the head. Yeah, Ellen and I go way back. Her grandkids, my kids played baseball together, so we sat through plenty of ball games in the heat together, huh? Those were the days. And now those kids are married and having kids. It's kind of crazy. Crazy to think that time is passing like that. Okay, after I do this top, I will show you how I will check that back area. Okay, so this back area, I'm gonna come up. So I took my sections vertical, so now I'm gonna come up horizontal. And if there's any little piece that's sticking out at all, then that means that it's longer than the rest. So you just bring it straight up. If there's any pieces sticking out, that means they're longer, so it didn't connect. Okay, all right, and now that we have that top, we're gonna do the sides. So we're gonna pull those out. Just point cut into that. And I'm taking it around the head up to this top layer up here. How you doing, my dear?
Good.
Good. Okay, and then I'm going to bring this by her ear. Just clean this up nice. Okay, I'm going to open and shut the shears. Come in, take a little bit out of there. Okay, and then we'll do this side. Take some of that length. Okay, right here by the ear. Clean that up nice. Open and shut the shears, come through those sides, just to make different lengths. Okay, same thing up here. You can see I'm coming up in the bang area, taking some of the length off up in, not just on the very bottom. Okay, now we are going to come texture. And she definitely needs texture every 3 weeks. She has a ton of hair. It is more fine, but that type of hair needs a little bit more texture because it becomes very heavy. Even though it's fine, but there's a lot of it, it becomes heavy. So when you texturize in there and get those little hairs cut into the hair, the longer hairs stand on the shorter hairs. And so that gives it volume. Okay, now we take the Kenra mousse, put it all up through, rub it in really good. It's very important to get your product even throughout your hair. If you're in a hurry and you just plop it on, your hair most of the time won't go as good. So if you can take just an extra second, really get that product in there nice and even, then it really helps. And then a little bit of the volume and lift spray. Okay, and then we will blow dry.
And then as soon as we're done, like I said, I will come back through and clipper over comb that bottom area just to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so I'm just coming through the sides, just kind of dry those forward a little bit. Back and forth with the fingers up here and the blow dryer. The sides forward. And then we go back and forth.
Yes.
Little massage to Ellen's head. Yeah.
Okay, before I finish styling, we'll go ahead and tighten up these corners. So you can see I come in and I hold out. You can see how much more length is down on that bottom. So if we take that tight, when it grows out, it's not gonna poke out. So yeah, if you have a haircut like this and it feels like it's sticking out or bulky, maybe have your stylist just take the clipper over comb to it and see if that helps you. Okay, I'm just taking the flat iron throughout the top of the hair. Again, you don't have to do this. You don't have to take the flat iron through. You can just leave it how it was. So it's a little bit rounded if you want. And sometimes she'll do it that way and it's darling. So either or, you can make it look either way. This is the styling paste. I just take my fingertip and then rub it in good to where it's almost clear. Then you can just grab at the hair. Then I will turn her to the mirror so I can see. How does that feel? Good. Good, good. You got magic fingers. Aw, thanks. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. I appreciate that. Okay, bring that forward. Okay, now I'm just gonna back comb, tiny bit here up on this top, and then spray, then put it back into its spot. That will just help hold it in, which it'll pretty much hold anyway. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this out right through here. Okay, sorry, one more time. Just gotta see here. Okay, awesome. Okay, thanks. So thank you. Thank you. All right, now I appreciate you, Ellen, letting us see your cute hair, your cute self. Okay, I'm just going to turn her around so you can see. Cute. Okay, thank you, Ellen. Appreciate you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and hope you enjoyed the haircut. We will see you next time. Thanks.